Welcome, boys, in your English class. Yesterday in English, we have started our lesson. So today we are going to continue with the same lesson in order to complete our unit 4. So today the date is 21 and day is Tuesday. We are in week 3 of semester 2. So kindly open your learner's book. The name of the unit is The Big Sky. Lesson 5, Read and Respond. Page number 56, 57, and so on. In this lesson, we have listened to the information, read and answer the questions. So first of all, we have listened to the track 42. In this track, we have seen there is a map given on our lesson. So this is called a map, and here are different countries marked on the map. First one is Mexico, Italy, Greece, Egypt, and China, from where the different astronomers and scientists they came together to discover different things. An astronomer is a person who studies the stars and planets. Today, astronomers look at the sky with big, powerful telescopes. They can take photos of the planets with cameras. Many years ago, astronomers didn't have telescope or cameras, but they watched the sky and they learned many new things. A photo of the planet Mars, ancient Egypt. So let's study what the Egyptian peoples have discovered, what they have find out. The people of ancient Egypt. What is the meaning of ancient Egypt? Old Egypt. Learn to tell the time by looking at the stars. One very famous astronomer was Hypatia of Alexandria. She lived in Egypt 2000 years ago. She wrote books about maths and astronomy. Then here is the picture of a astronomer her name was Hypatia from Alexandria. Then we are going to talk about the Mayan people in Mexico. The Mayan people lived mainly in Mexico. Mayan astronomers made special buildings to watch the stars and planets in the sky. They learned how the planets move. They measured light and shadows. The Mayans thought that the earth was flat, but they were wrong because what is the shape of earth? It is round, it is not flat. So before, when they did not have the facilities, they thought that the earth is flat. Okay, today we are going to talk about ancient Greece. What ancient Greece people have discovered and what were their innovation and discovery. The people of ancient Greece learned that the earth goes round the sun. They gave names to many of the planets. The word planet is from a Greek word. Boys, we have studied here in English book that earth revolves around the sun. So the Greece people, the astronomers from the Greece, they were the first one to find this, to discover this and to present this, that earth goes round the sun. And they have also given the names to many of the planets. The word planet is from our Greek language. Understand? Okay, moving on to the next. Ancient China. The people of China learned a lot about the night sky. What is the meaning of night sky? Means when there is no light, they can see the sky. There are many stars and moon in the night on the sky. They have learned many things about it. They knew that the moon is round. They knew that the sun shines light on the moon. So they make a other discovery. What were their discovery? First of all, they knew that the moon is round. By looking at the sky, they have discovered that the moon is round in circle shape. They knew that sun shines light on the moon, and they also discovered that the moon does not have any light. It takes the light from the sun. Sun shines on the moon, and in the night, moon reflects the same light that we can see on sky at night. Means that moon does not have its own light. It takes light from the sun. From where the moon takes light? From sun. Okay. Ancient Rome. The people of ancient Rome, who we call Italy today, learned many important things. They learned that the earth goes around the sun in 1 year. Yes, earth also goes around the sun in 1 year. And with this, it takes 1 year, whole 1 year. You know that when it is revolving around the sun, it grows around the sun. What happens? Our seasons are changing. Our weather is changing. They learned that moon goes round the earth in 1 month. And when moon finishes its circle in 1 month, means 30 days. They made a calendar. Their calendar was similar to our calendar today. You can see the picture of calendar they made. It is exactly the same that we are using today. So they were genius people. They made a calendar. They discovered that earth goes round the sun, and they also discovered that moon goes round the earth. Okay, boys, let's move on to the exercise, and after that you people will read one by one. Okay, true or false? An astronomer is a person who looks at animals. Write with me, boys. No, false. Who looks at stars, not animals. So you will write false. We can use a telescope to look at the planets. True. Number 2 is true. Harpita wrote books about birds. No, she wrote books about maths and other astronomy. So this is also wrong. Number 3, false. Number 4, the Mayans thought that the earth was round. No, they thought that the earth was flat. So this is also false, wrong. The people of ancient Greece gave names to many planets. True, yes. True. The people of ancient Rome made a calendar. Yes, they made a calendar which looks exactly, most of it same like that one we are using. So boys, complete this. So in this question, what they are saying, match the verbs. We have past, we have present. So we are just going to match each of them with one another. with the help of line. Past, present. Learned, learn, match. Okay. Lived, live. Past of lived, live, live is lived. Write, wrote. Made, make. Thought, think. Gave, give. Knew, know. So we are adding, matching past with its present. Hurry up, boys, complete this so we can practice also. Live, lived. Write, wrote. Make, made. Think, thought. Give, gave. Know, knew. So these are the past and present verbs.